flying towards Kenley Aerodrome in my flying fur. Let's have an outside look at the fur. There it is. It's the Abbott Baines variant of the fur. Okay, when I said fur, I was speaking. And I've reduced my airspeed significantly, starting when I was about 11.7 kilometers out from Kenley. And as a result of that, I'm descending like a rock out of the sky. I'm going a little bit too slowly. One thing I like about the Flea is it's seeing your pants flying. You know, you look to your left and there's some scenery, and you look to the right and there's some more scenery, and nothing gets in the way. There's no missing. You have to constantly correct the prop spin. That's something I've set in the difficulty level. The skies are totally full of other people. Anyway, it's supposed to be landing on runway 2020. It's my position. Only
Echo Golf Kilo November traffic heading 5 TPL 1 2 miles south 1,600 feet inbound to land runway 20.
And I'm on the final.
Echo Golf Kilo November traffic in 5 TPL 1 is on final runway 20 to land.
I can announce that I'm on the downwind leg and all that sort of nonsense. I don't even know what it means. I think, can you see those kind of, these things? I think they may be the wrong way. So I'm going to have to just line up with it. Let's face it, we'll be lucky if we land anywhere near Kenley. This rain, coming down at such a rate. Oh, here we go though. And the wind's sort of blowing. It's going. I'm making movement with my hand. It's going kind of off in that direction somewhere. Oh, goodness sake! Oh my goodness, this is going to be. Oh no! Hold on. Okay. It's a little bit difficult to control when you're flying crosswind like that. Besides, we're just idiots at the controls. Doesn't help. Okay. I say, spanners, get the oil out. Get a good squeak, a good sing to the throttle quad squeaking like a rat. Yes. Look at that. Look, that lined up perfectly. Probably the wrong runway. Actually, it's probably not even the runway. No, it's probably not the runway, is it? Oh dear. Well, that wasn't good. Don't do that. Oh, this is going to be miles away. Whoa there! Pull the nose up and watch the airspeed plummet. Like the aircraft is plummeting. We're going to hit the ground like something. Hitting the ground right. Oh, we're not going to even hit the. No, we're not even going to. We're not even going to. Oh, come on. Well, that was a bit of an oomph. We're not on the runway, of course. We will be in a minute. That's a ridiculous way to fly an aircraft. Look, we're on the runway now. Are we on the right one? Runway? No, probably not. Is this 20? Heck, at least I've got the right airport. Yes, because it's... There aren't any brakes. That's right. No brakes. Just kind of do this. Oh, for goodness sake, stop, will you? And I think we're going to die. Okay. Well, I almost got it. It's just the fact that the Flea doesn't have brakes. For goodness sake, how am I supposed to stop? How am I supposed to stop when there's no brakes? Read the manual.